Are you frustrated trying to build a responsive email list? Trying all the best possible ways but unable to get on the right track? Then here is a surprise for you. Don't waste your time and money on incomplete list building techniques, but instead build your responsive email list using Solo Ads. Hi guys, my name is Shelly, and in this video I will be telling you how to use Solo Ads for the email marketing campaign. And in the end, I'm gonna give you my pro tip to help you in this journey of a Solo Ads buyer. So stay till the end of this video with me. See, Solo Ads are a form of advertising that allow you to send an email broadcast to someone else's email list. It is a very reliable pay-per-click traffic platform that helps to regenerate traffic from email rather than search engines. So choosing Solo Ads to promote your affiliate offer can be a game changer for you to run your business successfully. So let's begin. But wait, let me tell you this thing in advance, that Solo Ads are a double-edged sword. It can be the best thing that can ever happen to your online business, and also the worst, making you insolvent, but only when you are not careful. So take each step towards growing your business with care. Now let us look at how Solo Ads work. Solo Ads are basically high quality email traffic. So what actually happens when you buy a Solo Ad from an established vendor is you buy access to their pre-built email list, and they send emails to their list on your behalf, and those emails are pretty dedicated emails. That means the entire message is all about your promotion. The range of Solo Ad prices lies between 30 cents per click to 90 cents per click, and it varies as per the vendor's list. So now let us move forward and see what are the advantages of using Solo Ads. Firstly, Solo Ads can benefit your business to reach a big target audience in one go. So if you eagerly want to get huge traffic, then Solo Ads advertising would be a great choice. Secondly, you are 100% assured with the traffic to the campaign. You don't need to worry here, as you won't be scammed, as a Solo Ad is marketed to the active list and you are getting actual subscribers to your desired page. You have a better chance of getting visibility, as subscribers are those that are fairly interested in what you have to offer. For example, I am in the Make Money Online niche, and suppose I want to promote an offer that is in the Make Money Online niche. So what will I do? I will search for a vendor that has a list in Make Money Online niche, and then I will place an order. Now suppose I want 500 clicks to my offer, so I will pay him for 500 clicks, and then he will deliver 500 clicks to my desired page. Okay, so you get 100% assured traffic to the campaign. Another benefit of Solo Ads is it gives rapid growth with very less effort. Yes, and believe me, if you have just started your business and if you are in the Make Money Online niche, then you must go for Solo Ads. But make sure you are choosing the best Solo Ad sellers. So with that, let me tell you how to select or how to find a Solo Ads vendor. Well, after knowing the basics of how Solo Ads work and its advantages, you must be eager to know how to get started with Solo Ads. In order to buy a successful Solo Ads campaign, you must choose a right Solo Ad vendor. And let me tell you, finding an expert Solo Ads vendor is not an easy job, especially if you are a beginner. So you can keep the following points in mind while selecting a Solo Ads vendor. Number one, make sure the vendor you choose should have a massive email list. Secondly, pay attention that the vendor you are going to choose should have a list built in that particular niche in which you deal. Don't forget to check reviews for their past performances. Okay, and lastly, my pro tip I would like to suggest to you is to go and buy Solo Ads from one of the leading marketplace for Solo Ads, that is Udemy. As Udemy is a marketplace that will give you a lot of sellers with low prices, scam protection, so you can scale your business quickly. It also allows you to check the reviews and ratings of every solo vendor individually. So yes, you can definitely go for Udemy. Also, as you know by now, I am also a solo ad vendor, so if you want to buy solo ads from me, you can definitely buy from me as well. For that, you just need to send me a message on my Facebook account. I will add a link to my Facebook account below, so you can reach out to me personally. So with that, we have reached towards the end of the video, and at last, if you found this particular video useful and if you would like to be a part of my community, I would like to invite you to join it. Link is mentioned in the description box below. Go and join it right now. I look forward to engaging with you there. I will see you there. Also, please subscribe to my channel and hit that like button as well. Thank you for watching it so far. Cheers. Bye bye.